Gemini, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH at ito ang inyong love reading ngayong February 2024. This is a general reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages and thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. And please like, share, subscribe na rin para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook and TikTok. Lahat po yan Mystic Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Okay, let's see. Gemini. Love reading, love energies for you ngayong February for Gemini. Spiritual growth, short term, and dating. Oh, okay. So some of you, Gemini, maaring you will get into relationships, connections, na kung saan gusto mong makilala ang isang tao, no, ng mas malalim. So may dating dito. Kaya lang pwedeng lang to, short term. Pwedeng hindi, maaring yung person that you're dealing with, hindi siya ganun kaseryoso. Or maaring ikaw, hindi ka rin kaseryoso. You just want to enjoy connecting with other people, going out, no, getting to know people. Maari rin kasing ikaw ay mas nag-evolve, no? Hindi ka na ganun ka-demanding pagdating sa relationship. You just want to get to know the person well, no? Like maaring soulmate connection into a soul level of getting to know someone, no? And yun nga, maari rin kasing you are taking your time. Hindi ka nagmamadali, no? And who knows, maaring ito ay mauwi sa isang seryosong relationship. But for now, maaring ini-enjoy mo muna ang connection mo sa iba. Pwede rin tong multiple connections, no? You are dating others, trying to get to know them better. So, let's see your overall energy sa iyong love life ngayong February. You have the Queen of Pentacles. You have the Knight of Pentacles. Yes, hindi ka talaga nagmamadali. Importante sa'yo. Puro Pentacles to, ha? Pwedeng ang ka-deal mo ay mga Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, yung iba sa inyo, Gemini, pwedeng meron na kayong family, no? You have your own family. So, pwedeng maging complicated lang yung situation if you will still allow yourself to, go out on a date with other people. Kasi pwedeng ma-misinterpret yan ng iba. Okay? Kahit na wala ka namang intentions romantically. But I see you na mas nagfo-focus rin sa stability ng relationship mo. So, if you are already in a relationship right now, importante sa'yo yung financial stability ng relationship ninyo. Especially kung meron na kayong mga anak. I also see you na planning for your future together. So, very serious yung relationship ng iba sa inyo if you are already in a relationship. Pero kung yung iba sa inyo is single pa, you are still getting to know other people, there's nothing wrong about that, no? Sabi nga is, ano ba yun? Try and then select. Parang ganun. Collect and then select. Oo. So, but for you na mga meron na kayong certain relationships, no? I see na you are all focused on building a strong foundation ng family nyo, ng relationship ninyo. And also, kung kayo naman ay nasa relationship na talaga, I see na mas magbibigay ka rin ng oras at panahon sa partner mo to treat them, no? To go out on a date, and bond together, no? Pwedeng as partners or as a family. So, let's see your challenge. Ano yung challenge? Oh, nako. Okay. This really makes sense. Maaring baka mag-overthink naman yung iba dyan, ha? Meron dito na nasa relationship. Okay, meron kayong pwedeng may asawa na kayo, family, and akala nyo things are doing well sa relationship ninyo because maayos namang mag-provide yung person nyo or napoprovide nyo naman yung person nyo ng pangangailangan nila sa family nila. But I see there is someone kasi na pwedeng manggulo sa relationship ninyo. Can be a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Pwedeng mauwi sa third party situation. Meron secret dito eh. Oo. Pwedeng ang isa sa inyo sa relationship nyo ngayon ay, lumalabas with others to get to know them. Pwedeng hindi sinasadya, pwedeng sinasadya. But the challenge here in this relationship is maaring magulat ka sa isang sikreto na tawag dyan, marireveal. Oo. Because of a complicated situation, complicated relationship. So, tinan natin yung feelings mo towards your person. Ano yung feelings ng mga Gemini towards their person? Nako, 7 of Swords. Oh my God, Gemini. Parang kayo ata tong aalis. Oo. Pwedeng the person that you're dealing with is, doing okay. Pero yung iba sa inyo, Gemini, kayo ay hindi ganun kasaya na sa relationship. Oo. Or, pwede rin naman na the person that you're dealing with, siya yung may kasalanan. Kasi ito yung feelings mo towards your person. Niloko ka. Oo. And then, yung iba sa inyo may aalis. Nag-iisip ng umalis sa relationship. And magfo-focus na lang kayo sa inyong career. Sa inyong finances. How about your person? Anong energy ng person? Justice. Nako, oh my God. Gemini, some of you, hindi naman ito mag-resonate para sa lahat. Huwag kayo mag-overthink kung hindi naman ito yung situation nyo. But for some of you, the person that you're dealing with is also confused right now. Oo, pwede talagang dinadala ka sa isang third-party situation. Pwedeng reversal yung energy sa ikaw yung nagdala sa third-party situation sa relationship mo, sa person mo, or yung person mo. Okay? But merong decision making na ginagawa ang iyong person. Kung sino ang pipiliin niya. Pwede itong na-involve sa kanyang kaibigan. I long for your kisses and your touch. Merong namimiss. Karmic ties. I'm accessing past life wisdom. It's helping me understand things with a new perspective. And I need you to trust me and believe I am working toward union with you. Parang may inaayos na relationship dito. Oh my gosh. Susubukan tong ayusin. Oo. But I don't know kung maayos to eventually, no? Kasi medyo may deceit, may panloloko, may trust issues dito. Especially kung may involvement talaga ng third party situation. Some of you magkakaroon ng separation dito. And it's going to be an emotional separation na tipong betrayed yung isa, no? Pwedeng ikaw to or the person that you're dealing with. There's someone new, meron ditong bago, may pumasok na sa eksena, mas bata. Oo. Okay? So that is your reading, Gemini. Thank you so much and bye.